Hello everyone, I'm Alreen. Today in our video we'll be listening to a story and learning about the different parts of a right angle triangle. Let's start with a story. Our story starts in Egypt many years ago. We know from studies about the Egyptians that their lives centered around a very important river, the River Nile. Egypt has been called the gift of the Nile and the mother of geometry. Century after century, year after year, the Nile overflowed its banks and washed down the black mud from the surrounding mountains. This mud made very fertile soil, which gave the Egyptian farmers really good crops. Each year, the floods washed away the markers that the farmers used to mark their boundaries. As you can imagine, year after year, they had to find a way to put back the boundary marks. This kind of measuring taught them a great deal about geometry. An Egyptian surveyor was called a harpendapta. He would walk along with 3 slaves behind him, carrying a rope with special knots tied in special places. Can you think of what shape it made? The rope was used to make a special triangle with a ratio 3, 4, 5, by bending it where the knots were to make a right angled triangle. At the time, the Egyptians did not know why it worked, but they noticed that no matter how long the rope was, as long as the ropes were placed at 3, 4, and 5, it would make a right angled triangle, which was very useful to them. Many civilizations later used the same method to measure. Just like the civilizations before us, let's learn about the different parts of a right angle triangle. The 90-degree angle. A right angle is an angle of exactly 90 degrees, and in geometry we use a block to show 90 degrees when it's a right angle. Hypotenuse. The side opposite the right angle, the longest of the 3, is called a hypotenuse. Latin hypotenusa means stretched out. Legs, catheti. In a right angle triangle, the sides forming the right angle are called the legs or catheti of the triangle. Major leg. This is the longer side touching the 90-degree angle. Minor leg. This is the shorter side touching the 90-degree angle. If you look at both the minor leg and the major leg, even when they've been shifted or translated, the minor leg and the major leg still stays the same. Scalene triangle. A right angle triangle is a scalene triangle because all 3 sides are different lengths. Let's test our brain. There is a true or false test your brain available in your band folder. You can use it in both PowerPoint and PDF. This is the end of our presentation. Enjoy your activities.